1 in every 3 adults is affected by high blood pressure, a silent killer that quietly damages your body before severe symptoms develop. This relentless condition, often creeping in unnoticed, is primarily fueled by our modern lifestyles, unhealthy diets, sedentary routines, and mounting stress levels. It's referred to as the silent killer because it slowly and subtly wreaks havoc on your health without any discernible signs until it's too late. But the good news is, you can fight back, and one person's journey might just inspire you. Meet John, a 45-year-old man whose life took a turn when he was diagnosed with high blood pressure. John had always been a lover of life, a man who enjoyed the simplest pleasures. But this diagnosis, it shook him to his core. It was a wake-up call, a siren in the night that he couldn't ignore. His doctor's words echoed in his mind, urging him to make changes, to take control of his health. That's when he stumbled upon something called the DASH diet, dietary approaches to stop hypertension. It was more than just a fancy name. It was a promise of hope, a lifeline thrown his way. The more he read about it, the more he felt this could be his way out, a way to regain control, to steer his health back on track. With a determined mind, John embarked on his journey towards a healthier life. The DASH diet, or dietary approaches to stop hypertension, became John's weapon of choice in his battle against high blood pressure. So, what is this DASH diet? It's a scientifically proven eating plan that emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy products, while limiting foods high in saturated fats, sugar, and sodium. This diet was designed to not only lower blood pressure, but also reduce the risk of heart disease. When John first started, he found it challenging to swap his beloved salty snacks for healthier alternatives. But he persevered. He began experimenting with fresh herbs and spices to add flavor without the sodium. He also learned to savor the natural sweetness found in fruits, rather than reaching for sugary treats. After a few weeks, John started noticing changes. His energy levels increased, his sleep improved, and most importantly, his blood pressure began to decrease. John's blood pressure started to drop within weeks, proving that the right diet can indeed make a significant difference. Today, John is healthier, happier, and his blood pressure is under control, all thanks to the DASH diet. His transformation is nothing short of inspirational. His energy levels have soared, he's shed those extra pounds, and he's got a new zest for life. It's not just about the numbers on the scale or the blood pressure monitor, it's about the newfound confidence and vitality. John's story is a testament to the power of a healthy diet, proving that it's never too late to start making better choices.